So guys, we're here at the airport. We're ready to take off.
And we're not flying domestic, we're flying international.
We're international.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Kashunali patakatulali. Aww. And what do you have? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Car. What do you do when you're angry? What face do you make when you're sad? What do you do when you're sad? Island, what do you do when you're sad? Morning guys, welcome back to the Island family. Excuse the mess at the moment. We're packing. We've got 2 suitcases here. Just packing Island stuff. And this is little Island. Look at him. He's all excited. Oh, be careful. Oh, it's a bit dark. Good morning, Island family.
Good morning, good morning.
It's your girl Maria.
And your boy Provider.
Provider in the house.
Yeah.
And little Island.
Introduce yourself.
Say hello, my name is?
I'm tired.
You're tired. You're a liar. You're just being liar. Hey. So anyways, guys, just real quick. I am just doing a little film about where we're going.
Yeah.
If you guys can.
Yeah, so you guys, we did mention that we had a big surprise for a while, and we've been mentioning this in like every single vlog, you know. So lots of you guys mentioned, you know, about pregnant, which baby's not pregnant, you know. So that's not the surprise, but the surprise is that we're actually leaving Australia for the first time, you see me, so together as a family. So this is very exciting, you know what I mean. And yeah, we're going to another country, and we'd like you guys to guess which country we're going to, you know what I mean. So maybe I'm going back home, I don't know.
So as Babe was saying, guess where you think we're going,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah man. The next video will, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, that's all right. Just think about where we love and what we like to do. So
Yeah.
that's a little hint for all you lovely subscribers of ours.
Yeah man, so I hope you guys ready for this vacation, you know what I mean. So we're really excited. We save up for this, and we find the best flight, the cheap flight that would, you know, bring us to our destination. And definitely
For sure.
you guys are in for a treat.
Definitely. Now I better get Island because he's like, Island, put it away now. Excuse our bed. We haven't done our bed yet. I'm just leaving it stripped off the bed because, yeah, Island's is already packed. Hey, Island? Loco, loco. Are you excited?
Yeah, foot
Are you excited now?
I'll foot down.
No, you didn't fall down. That was a very long time ago. It's gone now. Hey. How are you? Show everyone this. Well, Island's ready, guys. Hey. Cheeky boy, get off Mummy's clothes. Oh my gosh. Dancing.
Not on the clothes now.
That's not dancing, that's jumping. Why do you think you're...
Put this on the order.
Yeah.
Maybe this little back.
Bye, Gordy. Bye. Oh, he's saying bye to Uncle, guys.
Cuties with his
Bye, Gordy.
luggage.
So, guys, we're here at the airport. We're ready to take off.
And we're not flying domestic, we're flying international.
We're international. Bye.
You guys can see the sign there? So you know we're not joking about that.
Oh, it's very hard to see. It's blurry. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we're here, ready to go. Bye, Wiley. Bye. All right, we better go. Go inside.
Man.
Let's go inside, guys. Let's go and check in our stuff. Bye. Come on. Look at this boy. He's all into it.
No, he actually don't do it. We're gonna go
This way. Bye.
Yeah.
All right, so we are check-in open 5.
No, this way.
Hey.
Hey, baby. Excited. You guys will get the reveal in the next video.
All right, go. Wow, strong boy.
You're carrying.
How much you carrying? What are the numbers?
4.8 kilo boy.
What's the numbers? Here, look. Yeah? 4.8. Okay, with you on it, he's almost 20 kilos.
You
Good
by
boy.
yourself.
Just what we have, guys. Appleton Estate. I just thought the bottle was so cute, so I had to get me some Jamaican rum. As you all know, I'm a big fan of Jamaican rum. It's the only rum that I'll drink, actually.
I'm having a little sip as well. It's really nice.
That will get us to sleep for at least a few hours on the plane.
Yeah.
And then we have Bobo, which is being a little bit naughty.
Being an idiot.
Island. Look at him.
But it's
He's
here.
very tired too. Yeah, so I think our food's coming now. Yeah.
Here.
Oh, hi. Oh, look at that, guys. Lovely. Island, where are we going?
I'll go swimming.
Swimming?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
And friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna find heaps of friends. Yeah? Where are we going?
I'll go
What's the name place called?
Coastal.
Where?
Coastal. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
forgot the name of
How was that burger?
it. Was good. I like the top of it, like really crispy.
It was nice. You look tired, Naman.
Get up early this morning, paid up, edit a video, so yeah.
You look good though when I zoom it in. Yeah, let me see me. Ready, guys?
You look beautiful.
Oh my gosh, it's so bright.
Really.
Talk about green eyes.
Right. And adjusting.
Oh, copyright.
We still have like an hour and a half to go. And I'm just walking this. I don't even know the name of this thing, but yeah. If you guys know the name, let me know in the comment section. Just a faster way to move along this track. Woo! Yeah. So you have elevator, you have escalator, and I don't know what you call this one, you know. But here we go. Fast movement. So we're at gate 74. Seem really quiet down this end. Really? To 84 now? Yeah. Oh my gosh. So we have to go all the way back up. Oh boy. And this thing don't do reverse, like seriously.
But we got time. What time is it?
Yeah, we still have like an hour and a half. Island, let's go.
So guys, we're just here. Over there, babe. We went past it before. Yeah. So guys, we're just here. Over there, babe. We went past it before. Yep. Island, come. We're gonna go.
I'm trying to find it, baby. It's showing me. I don't see those.
What the heck? Guys, look, ladies, look at these glasses. My favorite is those red ones. Aren't they nice? And the blue ones too, Naman. Bulgari. Baby. Huh? Hey, Bubba, what do you reckon? Aren't they nice? Island, leave them alone, Naman.
Island? Hey, get back here, please.
Wow, $515. Island. Look at this boy. Come on, let's go now. Let's go. $515.
They look nice though.
I know, they're nice, but too expensive. ATM's just around here. It's Brisbane Airport, guys. Oh my gosh, we look so tired, guys. We're at the airport still waiting to board our flight. Yes, I look tired. Yes. They look so tired.
Fully tired.
Frost, man.
You know what I mean? Can't wait for reach.
Me too, I can't wait to reach. Island.
I want TikTok.
That's not TikTok.
TikTok, I see.
That's shorts.
See?
Anyways,
Mommy.
just sitting here waiting.
See? Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Yummy. You've already had your yummy. Anyways, guys, we check back.
And you know when we board the flight.
Grandpa's falling asleep over here.
Yeah, them are shut down. You know the thing go.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down now. Sit down and put your belt on. Yeah, put your belt on. Come on.
Made it on the flight, guys.
Hi guys, Island. Island, look.
Ah, please. You can say it. You can say it. Let's go.
That's all I'm going on. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. But
Super tired.
we'll relax when we get there.
Alright, now 11:26.
30.
Yeah, almost midnight pretty much. It would be midnight back home.
Yeah,
Yeah,
midnight.
yeah. So
Not our kind of thing. We're not really up at this time.
you know what I mean. So that's one of them things there. So stick around for what to
Stick
come
around.
next.
That's it.